Hey everyone, my name is Monroe Man with Break Diving, joined today with Bhavya in Jersey and Manvanth in India. We're continuing our book club slash stock market society coverage of the book, The Candlestick Course by Steve Nison. If you've been following along on YouTube, this is the next installment. And I'm going to share my screen and we're going to get started. So we're here now in this section here. So we did this one kind of last week. I said this was a falling star, which it is. You can see that it's going up. It's going up and then boom. It's a falling star. Let me just verify that I'm correct before I start going up. Or it's a shooting star. Well, shooting star, falling star. I don't know why this is a shooting star, not a falling star. Because technically a falling star is more accurate because it shows that it's.
Yeah, I agree.
So I thought like a shooting star should be going up. Let me just see what they have to say. So 4.45. Although the mark was ascending, the extended upper shadow of the candle. No, this is exhibit 4.45. Where's exhibit 4.45? Oh, it is right here, right?
That's the one shooting star.
4.45. Yeah, so either the bulls were retreating as the market approached the upper end of its range, or the bears had enough force to overwhelm the bulls. The result is the same: a market whose rally had stalled. The candle line is a shooting star, which, as the Japanese say, represent trouble ahead. Okay, so they call it a shooting star. I was calling it a falling star, but same thing, is that it was shooting downwards, falling. So, Bobby, why don't you do the next one here? What do you think it is?
Wait, is it the thing? What are there? Three questions in that, right? Which you have to answer. What's the?
Oh. What candlestick sign do I see?
Okay.
Oh, you're right. We didn't do all the questions. What are the potential implications of that signal? So the application of the shooting or falling star is that the market is likely going to change to a downtrend. How is the candle sign related to the prior price action? Well, you can see all the prior price action is going up, and it looks like things are going great, great, great. And then boom, you have this big price rise because it clearly got very high, but it closed lower. It still closed higher than it opened, but there's a lot of indecision because it's essentially a doji right there. Are there any other aspects of or recent or prior price action that are important? I don't see anything in particular. Just it's a big ascent, and then you have that shooting star. Did you want to add anything?
Okay. What kind of signal? Oh, shooting star, we already know. Not a shooting star, right? What's the kind of signal here?
Whoops, whoa, my computer just started going randomly. Let's go down here. I guess it's saying, hurry up, go to the next question. Okay, your analysis, Bobby. What do you see? What candle pattern it is? What does it mean? And what was the prior action that's relevant?
Okay, this one looks like bearish engulfing.
And why?
Why? Because it's engulfed the previous, that straight white candle. And it's bearish candle pattern is a reversal signal, right? Yeah, it's a reversal. It looks like bears are taking control.
And in a bearish reversal, it has to be an uptrend, right? And then
yeah, it has to be uptrend. It is coming after the uptrend, yes.
All right. Manvanth, you want to give this one a try? Wait a second. Why is this? Oh, 5.1. Okay, 5.2. Okay, Manvanth.
5.2. Okay.
Wait a second, why is there that black line next to it? Hold on, is that just trying to show us where, hold on. No, why is there that black line here?
Hmm. Oh,
A
yeah.
printing error.
Yeah. Yes.
That's weird.
Mm.
So if you can't figure it out, I understand, because I don't fully understand that either, that if you take away the black line,
Falling window.
then it's a falling window, yeah. Let's see if that's what their answer is, because I don't know why there's that black line there. So bearish engulfing, yeah, and a small falling window. Is that 4.47? Oh, exhibit. Let's see. Yep, okay, good. Falling window.
Falling window. Okay.
Although there is a black real body wrapping around a white real body,
Mm-hmm.
and this is in 4.48. Where's 4.4? We are in 4.47. A
Mm.
small falling window adds further bearish applications to the bearish engulfing pattern. This represents a potential resistance area.
Yeah. Window.
Let's go to the next one here. So we know it's not bearish engulfing because we just read that, because it has to be on an uptrend for it to be bearish engulfing, which is what we have here.
Mm-hmm.
So this is not bearish engulfing.
No.
Let's see. If it's not bearish engulfing, I'm not sure what it is. Do any of you know?
I don't think it's any of the signal. It's just the point is here. It's like it's resisting there near the falling window.
I think it's something. I think each of them is something.
No, not necessarily. It's like depends on.
Bearish engulfing. Maybe it's just an engulfing and it's not bearish engulfing. Is there something just called engulfing?
It shows only the bears are in control, and that is it's resisting there near the falling window.
Oh, falling windows resistance confirmed.
Yeah.
Okay, falling windows resistance confirmed. Yeah, because it couldn't get above that.
Mm.
Interesting. Okay, so when you have a falling window, the top part, whatever the top price is, becomes the new resistance.
Mm-hmm.
If you have a rising window, the bottom part, lowest part of that becomes the new ceiling.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Bhavya, next one here.
Okay. This one, what is that called? Dark cloud, opposite of dark cloud, what it is called?
Is it dark cloud cover or is it the three little birds or?
No. It's coming after the it's a reversal
Oh,
pattern.
isn't this an advancing soldier?
No,
No.
that's our continuation part. It's coming after the downtrend, so of course it's a reversal pattern. It's called piercing. What is that?
Piercing, upward piercing? I don't remember.
I don't remember that. No, I don't remember the name. It's opposite of dark cloud cover. I know.
Yeah, the opposite dark cloud cover is advancing. Right? The advancing soldiers. No?
No, it's not an advancing show. Just comes. It's a continuation pattern. It's a reversal pattern.
Piercing. Piercing blue eyes? No. Shall we take a look?
Yeah.
Yep. I don't remember that name.
Oh, 5.48. So let's read the 5.48 part first. In the exhibit 5.48, the falling windows resistance level was confirmed with the long black real body. Although there's a black real body wrapped around a white real body, this was not a bearish engulfing because bearish comes after an ascent, not during a decline. Although this was not a bearish engulfing pattern, the fact that there was an extended black real body does further damage the technical picture. In
Okay.
4.9, for a few sessions after the long black real body, the market continued its descent. The small real body white candle shown here with its extended lower shadow does take some bearish steam out of the market because of the bullish shadow. In addition, it was a successful retest of the prior session's low, forming a tweezer's bottom. This candle line, although constructive because of its extended lower shadow, is not a hammer.
Mhm.
Because for a hammer, the lower shadow must be at least 2 times the height of the real body. This lower shadow did not meet that criteria. A rally during the next session, let's see, which one are they talking about?
Okay. This
Rally direction
is-
came by way of a small rising window and a high wave candle. So wait, where's the
no,
thing?
we are, yeah, that's the
Oh,
next
it's just
thing.
not a hammer.
Not hammer. Tweezer
Oh,
bottom.
what is a tweezer's bottom?
Mm.
Oh, okay. You know what? It is kind of a little, it's a little bit hard to see that there's a, right?
Yeah, that image is not clear.
Yeah, the image isn't super clear. Okay, so it's a tweezer's bottom. Manvanth next. Oh,
Yeah,
I
it's
know
a
what
doji.
this one is.
Doji. Butterfly doji, right?
I think it's a doji too.
Yeah, it is a doji. It's a
But is it a
What?
specific type of doji? I'm not
Butterfly
sure.
doji.
Say it
we
again.
read
Manvanth?
that.
Let's see what it says.
High wave candle.
Oh,
A high wave candle. I forgot what a high wave candle is. I forgot what a lot of these are.
what is
A
that?
rally. Oh, we saw it.
That's what I said. We read.
A rally during the next session came by way of a small rising window and a high wave candle. The high wave candle with an extended upper lower. Oh, a doji with very high upper and lower shadows is a high wave candle.
Yes.
It lessens the bullish applications of the rally, but it's not a major trend to reverse. Oh, we can also view it as a doji. So it can be also called a high wave doji. Okay, good.
Cool.
My turn with this. What the heck? Oh, there's another one.
Mm.
Okay, so now, well, first of all, that's a rising window.
There is a small window. Yes.
The small rising window. So the bottom part of that becomes the new ceiling. Like it's not going to go down.
Support,
below.
right?
What's that?
New support.
Support. That's the term. Yes, thank you. That becomes the new support line there.
Mhm.
Other than that, it looks just like a doji, I think. Yeah. What do you think? Anyone have a different analysis?
Yeah. Only I can see that main point is here. There is a window and there is a new support.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm.
it looks
But
like
it
a
doesn't really.
doji.
But also the fact that there was this rising window, even though it's a doji to a doji, I
Oh.
think 2 doji in a row shows that there is an uptrend.
And to dojis, there is no uptrend. Another thing there is, it's reaching the previous resistance area, that falling window that made there is a resistance.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, right
Yeah, so
there.
you should be careful here. Don't
Well,
open
it
full
is, but
position.
it is a rising trend.
Rising trend, but there is an indecision because small doji in addition, again, you can consider it as a doji and
But
it's reaching the
But if there were,
resistance.
my only disagreement is maybe,
Mhm.
yes, 2 doji that were right next to each other, so indecision. But this doji opening lower than this next doji with this rising window
Mhm.
shows that yes, there's indecision once we get up here. Is it going higher or lower from here? We don't know. But there's clearly a rising trend because of that window to begin with. Why would there be that window if it weren't?
Yeah, maybe it's yeah, again, here comes the risk and this one, because support, previous resistance is there near the falling window, so it might come down and might be, there is again rising window, there might be a support. The price might be in between that range. Yeah.
Okay. All right,
That's it.
let's find out.
Hmm.
The rally continues in 5.5 with another rising window. Rising window to another high wave candle. Good, so we got them both right.
Yeah.
This high wave candle has slightly more ominous, ominous implications.
What
ominous,
is means,
ominous
yeah.
means foreboding. Ominous means scary.
Oh, okay.
Has more ominous implications than the prior high wave candle because the market is now at a resistance area as defined by the falling window from the prior week. Good job. Consequently, we look for support at the rising window at 2 and resistance at the falling window. Got it. So interesting, like basically the top becomes the ceiling and this becomes the support.
Yeah. Next candle, let's see between that.
Okay, very interesting. All right, Bhavya, you'll do 5.7.
That's confirming the resistance and the support here. And it can be can we say that one as a bearish engulfing pattern since it's coming after.
After a what, Bhavya? After a what? An uptrend? Oh.
Yeah. It's not that much uptrend. It's still risky. So don't.
I know. As soon as she was about to say it, she's like, oh, I can't say it.
I was looking for that word. Yeah.
Based on my analysis, I think that is an uptrend, even though it's not but I think it's supposed to be real white bodies. And these aren't really real white bodies, right? They're high wave candles. So I don't know what they're going to say. I mean, technically it looks like it's a bearish engulfing, but
I think we should be careful here because it can go any direction now because there is a support and there is also resistance. It's in between that. So,
Manvanth, what do you think?
Bearish engulfing pattern. That's what even I was thinking.
Okay. All right, let's see what we find out. Okay. Oh, what is this? What section?
Highway candle.
So in 5.5.2, a black real body wrapping around the white real body forms a bearish engulfing pattern.
You're right.
This was a bearish, what did you say?
That's right. Previous uptrend.
Thank you. While this bearish engulfing pattern is confirming the falling window's resistance. Good job, Bhavya. The market is still holding the support defined by rising window 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so before we go on, because it's talking about 5.53 now, let's have Manvanth do his first. I
Which
think.
one?
Wait, I don't know where we are right now.
After this, that was the one we.
No, this isn't the one that you just did.
No, this is not a one.
5.5. Here we go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bearish engulfing. That's 5.52. Okay, good. So your turn now on
The next
this
one.
Manvanth. I don't understand what that is. I can't even see it. It looks exactly the same as the one before.
I think that's because of the book print. Oh, let's see.
Okay, it's just a candle without a.
Is
I
it
can't.
Doge?
Why every time Manvanth gets one, you can't read it?
What?
Every time you get a question, we can't read the chart. So we'll skip this one and we'll just see what they say because it's hard to read it.
Yeah.
Okay. It's exactly the same thing. What's the difference here?
No, there is something that's missing. It's print issue. So
Okay, so let's. Oh, there it was. Right there. You can see it here.
Yeah.
That. So anyway, okay, go ahead, Manvanth. This is yours.
Which one? Okay.
yeah, 5.1.
Bullish engulfing. B. Okay. Both.
I don't think it's engulfing because it doesn't cover the entire thing. Also, for
Yeah.
bullish engulfing, it needs to be white followed by following a black,
Yeah. Yeah.
and it's in a downtrend. So let's see what else it could be. I think it's a black real body following a white one.
So it's a dark cloud cover because it's open eye.
Morning.
Yeah.
Oh, dark cloud cover. All right, that's a good.
Yes,
analysis.
it's coming after the you're right.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's coming after the uptrend, and it's again confirming the resistance, previous resistance done by that shooting star.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a reversal signal. It's going to be downtrend now. Be careful. Sell off, take the profit and stay.
Good analysis. Good
Yeah.
analysis. Okay, let's see. So, no. Wait, answer the question 5.22.
No, this is
It just skipped a whole bunch.
okay. Pages are skipped.
Okay, so all right, we're stuck then. We're gonna have to trust Bhavya and see. Okay, good. It sounded like a good analysis. I'll do 5.11. It is not a falling window because the bottom part of the previous shadow overlaps. Isn't this even more dark cloud cover?
Dark cloud cover is when it comes after ascending uptrend actually.
What happens when you have two in a row?
More than I don't name that one as any candle. It's looks like bears are in control, and it's
It's so frustrating because we don't have the answers, so it's difficult.
but it broke the resistance formed by that raising window.
Mm-hmm.
Not support. Sorry, there is a support, right? That broke the support formed by that previous raising window. So it looks like again it's going to fall, like market is going to fall. Yeah. Don't take new position. That's all.
Yeah, this doesn't look good. Don't. Now is not the time to buy.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, Manvanth.
Just watch out.
Of this one. Or I'm wondering, should we just skip all these ones that we don't have answers to?
Yeah.
I feel like we're three amateurs making analyses that we don't even know if they're correct, and that's not. Let's go to the next one is 5.22. So you can do. Who was the first person that went without an answer? Manvanth?
Manvanth, yeah.
Okay, try this one, Manvanth.
What should I kind of okay, the thing black color?
It looks
It's
very
exactly the
complicated.
same, right? The one we saw the top. Okay, there's no wig in that. Okay, the only black thing.
Yeah, actually, it does. It looks very similar to the one that we were just talking about right here.
Yeah.
Bhavya called it dark cloud cover.
Hmm.
Mhm.
Is that what you think it is? Or something else?
Yeah, that's what I even think. But there's no wig in this one. The previous candle, the white one.
It's hard to hear you, Mama. Hold
There's
that to
no
your mouth.
wig. There's no wig in the white one, white color. But in
There's
the
no,
previous one, there was a wig.
it-
Yeah.
Yeah.
oh yeah, this one's not as big. The white one beforehand is not as large. All right, so let's see what they say. Top of falling window. I didn't even see that.
What?
Oh, look at that. Top of a falling window right there. Good. So there's this or the ceiling
Resistance. Yeah, ceiling.
in this case. And then rising support line,
Mhm.
5.66. Is there an explanation of 5.66? No. All right, so that's the best we're gonna get. So, okay, let's, my turn, I'll do 5 points. This one here. Okay, that is it doesn't look like a rising window. I think because it, but it does cross over the ceiling.
Mhm.
So it creates a new support line.
Mhm.
And what, anything else?
So it's broke that resistance, but it's stopped there. I think there is a
There's a window,
support.
right?
Yeah, there is a
It
window,
created
falling window.
right there. Yeah, so it
Yeah.
stayed in that band,
Right.
creating a new ceiling and a new support.
Mhm.
Okay, let's see. In 5.67, the market was propelled higher via a tall white candle, shattering the falling window's resistance level. In spite of the tall white real body, the stock is now near a potential resistance area defined by the breakaway gap, which is the same as a falling window from early December. As such, one should be cautious about buying at this session's close because doing so would mean buying at a resistance level. Okay, good. Your turn, Bhavya.
This one. I don't know which candle it is, but it looks like a bearish. Yeah, I'm not sure which candle was that, but it's supported. It's
Yeah, it didn't break below that.
yeah,
support
that
line.
support line. Yeah.
So I would just still say, hold off, don't buy yet.
Yeah.
Wait, it's still showing that it doesn't really know.
Mhm.
Okay. In 5.68 shows the tug of war between the rising support line as a floor and the breakaway gap as a ceiling. It shows us the powerful advantage of the candle charts and they can help you preserve capital. Although on the prior tall white candle session, the market may have looked healthy, we would not likely have gone long because this white candle was near a resistance area set by the breakaway gap. Yes, using charting techniques kept us from prematurely going long unless avoiding a potential losing trade. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Manvanth?
So this is again a window. No window.
Mhm.
Okay. Resistance gap.
Yeah, it broke the previous resistance. No support.
Yeah, the support gap. Okay.
Mhm.
And now there's a new support level at the bottom of that candle, potentially.
There is no support level. There is a new resistance in that gap, right?
Oh, I'm not talking about the gap. I'm talking about the bottom.
But bottom, so you're saying there is a resistance?
I guess we don't
No.
know if there's resistance here.
No, there
Okay.
is a resistance in that falling window, but there is, yeah, we don't know about
Nothing at the
the
bottom.
support yet. Mhm.
Okay. Okay, this now becomes resistance. Breakaway gap, closed, answer to 5.23, is that right? Oh,
Mhm.
whoa, where the heck are we? This is the answer to question 5.23. And that's like way up here. Oh, we're
Yeah,
behind.
this one.
5.23, okay. Then there's a confirmation of resistance. That's what we're just doing right there, 4.24.
Mhm.
And that was the one Manvanth just did, right?
Yeah.
No,
No?
mine was a gap one, right? Gap.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you did 4.25,
Mm.
5.25.
Yeah.
Gap under support, breakaway gap. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Ah, so I don't know, but it looks like that's a long shadow, upper shadow with a small doji at the bottom.
Mhm.
So lower shadow.
Let me see if that is correct. Yeah, it is. Okay, so it's interesting that it goes above the high of the previous day, and it
Yeah,
closed
but
and it closes lower than the previous day. And
Resistance.
yeah, that's maintain that feeling.
I just feel like it's just a doji that's showing that it's not a good place.
Yeah, I agree.
The arrow is on the line.
5.7 confirms the resistance area.
Mhm.
With its long upper shadow and small real body, has the same configuration as the shooting star, but a shooting star must come after an uptrend. This candle came after a downtrend, would not be called a its long upper shadow and close near the end show that it's bearish. Okay, good. Bhavya?
Okay, this one. What's that called again? But it looks like a reversal pattern. Yeah, and
It looks like reversal, but not enough. I don't think it's enough to really show because it's closing where the last day closed.
yeah, that's called what it is called.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're right.
it's called
when it-
something like
I totally know what you're talking about, and I
Yeah.
don't remember the name of it. Let's find out.
Yeah.
Which question was it? 5.27.
Mhm.
Okay.
Not tweezers. It's like
No.
Oh, is it a bullish counterattack?
yeah, counterattack.
A bullish counterattack
Mm.
emerged as the market opened sharply lower than the prior session's closed and then bounced back to close at the prior session's close. This is a strong implication that the bulls were starting to grab control. It has extra significance because it's helping confirm a support area defined by the mid-December lows. Okay. Got it. Good. Next is, whose turn is it?
Manvanth?
Fine. Yeah, so what? Okay, next one. Oh. Okay. Resistance? There's complete resistance. 5 to 6 line. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
That's better.
and there's a window with resistance and a top support. So what do you call that?
There's no rising window or here though. Where do you see a rising window?
Oh yeah, there's not a window. Okay, sorry, that's not a window, but yeah, there's a resistance then. There's a complete resistance. There's
Okay,
the window.
so let's find out. Wait, which number was that? 5.28. The rally after the counterattack is stalling at the falling windows resistance levels in 5.72. Oh gosh, did it skip again? Wait, 5.72 is the answers. So that's the market propelled itself above the falling windows resistance is now approaching 5.73. All right, let's just look at this. Answer to question 5.26. We already did that. Resistance zone, resistance area confirmed.
We
Okay.
did this before.
Yeah, we did this one. We did this one. This was the last one.
Bullish.
Counterattack pattern. Good. All right, and this is the one we're on right now. Stalling at windows resistance.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know if that's what you were referring to, Manvanth. I thought you were saying that this was a window, but no, if it's stopping at the
That's-
resistance of the window from
Yeah.
before, then I was mistaken and you're correct. So yeah, it stalled at that window. Okay, good. Well, no, let's not look at the next answer. All right, so we'll do one more round and we'll stop for today.
Okay.
So one for me, one for Bhavya, one for Manvanth.
Okay.
Okay, and I don't know, it's hard to, what the heck is that?
I think that's
Just the line. Yeah, that's a
white candle was a long white candle.
Oh, it's a long white candle. Yeah. Okay.
Confirming that.
So that's not an engulfing. And, but it does break through the previous resistance level. And it ended at what's interesting is that here is the same as here. And like here, it's like it has this median section of, I don't know if that's relevant, but I don't know if this is called anything or not. It just looks like it's a confirmation that things are turning around.
But there is it's reached the previous support, right? The support formed by there
Yeah, but
near the
it
dark
passed
cloud
it.
power. No.
You mean right here?
Resistance there. Yeah, it's past the support, but there is a resistance on top. See? Not that one. Yeah, that there.
Yeah, and it stopped there. So it also
Yes.
confirmed the new resistance.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Closed over resistance. We talked about that. And it got up to a recent high and then stopped there. Yeah, good. Okay, Bhavya, the next one. My brain is really hurting. No,
Yeah.
Okay.
go ahead.
This one. Oh, it's a bullish engulfing. Yeah, bullish engulfing.
I think so
It's
too, yeah.
confirmed it's confirmed there's support. It's reached the support and going up. Yeah.
Bullish engulfing and trying to build a base. Okay, good. Manvanth?
Doji.
Harami.
Which one?
Yeah.
Yeah, Harami, right? Oh, this is the first one which we got Harami after so long.
This is a Harami?
Yeah.
Exactly looks like that.
I forget
Harami
why
candle.
it's a Harami. Why?
It's
Preg-
because it's
pregnant. Yeah.
pregnant. Yeah, exactly. Nephi said that, right? It's
Oh, the
Japanese.
pregnant woman. Okay, yeah,
With
yeah,
the
yeah.
child, yeah.
Okay, so her, and what does it mean?
Harami. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, Manvanth. It
What?
reached support, yeah.
No. What? Okay. I mean, that's Harami. Exactly. That's Harami.
Mhm.
So you're asking me to stop buying or selling, right?
Yeah.
Sell
Don't buy.
probably.
Let's
Look
take a look.
for.
Yeah, sell.
Yeah, support.
Not.
Yeah, it reached that resistance. Yeah.
So in 7.45, a Harami pattern
Mhm.
reinforced the significance of this falling resistance line. So the resistance level is falling. That's interesting. Okay, very, very good. So Bhavya, can you, and Mando, let's remember that we stopped at question 5.31.
Okay.
So that's where we'll start. That's where we'll start next time.
Mhm.
And for those of you guys watching on YouTube, please click like, subscribe. Please come join us at breakdiving.io. We'd love to have you. Have a wonderful day.